In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel on PC Assetto Corsa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your Thrustmaster Racing Wheel and how to use it to play Assetto Corsa on PC. So first, all that you have to do is unbox the steering wheel and set up pedals and shifters if you have those. So follow the instructions to connect them to the base, and now to connect the actual steering wheel to your PC, you just need to use the provided USB cable. So plug the USB cable originating from the wheelbase to any of the available USB ports on your PC. Immediately upon plugging it in, it should be detected, and you will be able to play any compatible game. Now, what I recommend is that before you go inside of a game, you visit the Thrustmaster website at support.thrustmaster.com. In here, you can look for Ferrari 458, and the reason why we are doing this is to download the latest versions of the drivers and the firmware. By visiting the website, clicking on your model that you see listed at the left, you will be able to find the drivers here. Downloading the drivers is needed because it helps you set up any steering wheel model that you have, and you will be able to download them from the support website. Once you have the drivers and the firmware properly set up, now you can go inside of Assetto Corsa or any other compatible game. Just go over to the settings, and when you choose the controls or input settings, you will be able to choose steering wheel as the method that you want to play. And of course, the steering wheel model that you connected, the Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel, should be listed. If you choose that model, then it is going to be used to play, and now you can customize a lot of things like the sensitivity, force feedback, and any other options that are available according to your preferences. As long as the drivers are up to date and it is properly connected to any of the available USB ports, you will be able to play Assetto Corsa or any other supported game. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Thrustmaster 458 Spider Racing Wheel on PC Assetto Corsa. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.